Pandas, peculiar performance drop for Inplace rename after Dropna. I have reported this as an issue on Pandas issues. In the meanwhile, I post this here hoping to save others time, in case they encounter similar issues. Upon profiling a process which needed to be optimized, I found that renaming columns not in place improves performance, execution time, by x120. Profiling indicates this is related to garbage collection, see below. Furthermore, the expected performance is recovered by avoiding the Dropna method. The following short example demonstrates a factor x12. Inplace equals true. (100 loops, best of 3, 15.6 milliseconds per loop. First output line of %% and calls tot time per call, come time per call, file name, Lenino, function. Inplace equals false. (1,000 loops, best of 3, 1.24 milliseconds per loop. Avoid Dropna. The expected performance is recovered by avoiding the Dropna method. 1,000 loops, best of 3, 865 s per loop. (1,000 loops, best of 3, 902 s per loop.
This is a copy of the explanation on GitHub. There is no guarantee that an in-place operation is actually faster. Often they are actually the same operation that works on a copy, but the top-level reference is reassigned. The reason for the difference in performance in this case is as follows. The df1-df2.dropna call creates a slice of the data frame. When you apply a new operation, this triggers a setting with copy check because it could be a copy, but often is not. This check must perform a garbage collection to wipe out some cache references to see if it's a copy. Unfortunately, Python syntax makes this unavoidable. You cannot have this happen by simply making a copy fast, followed by an in-place operation will be as performant as before. My personal opinion, I never use in-place operations. The syntax is harder to read and it does not offer any advantages.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.